Welcome to your fasting meal breakfast. Let's start by getting our weight scale. And this is going to be our breakfast for the full 5 days. Get your favorite knife. This is my beautiful little 6-incher. I love her. And then a plate that makes you happy. So let's start with a clean plate so we keep our weight scale clean. You can also use a piece of saran wrap or just a paper towel, anything. I like to just use a plate. Make sure that you press that tare button to reset every time and make sure we're in grams. So let's start with our walnuts. Make sure that they're raw, not cooked or salted or roasted or anything like that. So 6 grams of walnuts is what we're looking for. And typically that works out to be exactly 2.5 pieces of full walnuts. So on the left, you'll see that's a full walnut, but I've got a bunch of broken pieces. So just keep fiddling around. It's a little bit like a game until you get about 6 grams. Now there we go. We've got about 2.5 and that's 6.1 grams. Perfect. Onto our pretty plate. Next up, we've got our carrots. Baby carrots are very convenient, but I prefer the flavor of just the regular carrots, but most of the time, just for the convenience factor, I just have the baby carrots. So 50 grams, that measures out to 51. I just chose a smaller carrot, hoping that it would be closer to 50. But just measure out, get as close to 50 grams as possible. If you wanted to stay at 48.8, that's fine. If you go a little over like 50.7, that's also great too. Next up, we've got our cucumber. Now I've already washed and dried this off. You do not want to add water weight to your scale. These calories are precious, so I'm just snipping off a kind of yucky piece of the cucumber. And here we play our game. 80.1 grams. Woo, perfect. At this point, you can just toss that on your plate, or you can slice it up, which is what I prefer to do because it's just a more enjoyable way for me to eat this breakfast, which I actually love. So let's place that on our plate. And then lastly, we have our avocado. Now 80 grams of avocado is typically half of a medium-sized avocado. This one is a little bit on the small side, but let's just check it out, see what we got. Make sure that you do look at all sides of the avocado. You don't want to be measuring and then consuming kind of a really badly bruised piece. So 73.4. I am going to measure out for the purpose of this demonstration and get as close to 80 as possible, but some days I just leave it at the half, so 73 grams, and I just make a note to myself that I get another 7 grams of avocado at any other point in the day. But again, for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you what getting as close to 80 grams possible looks like. And again, I like to slice it up. So this meal is my favorite by far of all of the meals during the Fasting Mimicking Diet DIY style. And so I like to take a little bit of time to make sure that it is pretty. Obviously, you don't have to fuss around the way I'm doing. And definitely add just a small sprinkle of salt. Malden is my favorite, but any salt will do. Definitely on your avocado and your cucumber because it really draws out all of the natural, beautiful flavors. My husband likes to sprinkle it on the entire plate. And pepper. And then there you go. Our beautiful breakfast plate. Bon appetit.